Hey everybody, it's Danielle.damianov with Wind Down Wednesday, and I am here with Lynn Blaylock from Aflac. Lynn, thank you so much for being here. Cheers to Wednesdays. And Lynn is with Aflac. So Lynn, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do and what Aflac does?
Definitely. Thanks. Yes, thanks, Danielle. I'm excited. Cheers for Wind Down Wednesday.
Yes.
So Aflac has been so great. What we are able to do is provide small businesses, as small as 3 people, all the way up to 99 businesses that can't afford to provide employees with group insurance. It's very costly. So Aflac gives employees an avenue and employers a benefit to be able to offer their employees small, something as $6 a week to have at least a little coverage that will pay them cash back when life happens, accidents, short-term disability, things like that, life insurance. Really a great tool for that.
Yeah, that's awesome because I know it is very expensive to get insurance, whether it's like you were saying, life insurance, long-term care. A lot of the bigger companies offer that to their employees, and a lot of employees will go to the bigger companies specifically because of the benefits. So basically, this is allowing smaller companies as low as, 1, 2, or 3 employees, you were saying?
Yes, yeah, 3 employees. And yeah, I mean, when I lived up north and worked up north, we worked for our insurance. Everything was about that insurance and you being protected. And when I moved down here and I saw how many people were not protected or really walking around with nothing and just praying that nothing happens, because really 80% of the population doesn't have the additional $1,000 in their bank account to be able to pay for medical bills of just normal people, and it's
Right.
really sad. So Aflac doesn't pay your doctors, it doesn't pay all the extra fees. As far as the money doesn't go to them, your providers, it's going to go directly into your pocket, and then you can use it for money for your mortgage, your rent, food on the table, things like that matter. You control what the money is used for. And if you want to use it to pay the medical bills, that's great as well.
Oh, wow. Okay. So basically, if you go to the doctor and you need, or you have your insurance, Aflac is paying the consumer instead of it going directly to.
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So short-term disability, something like that, is a doctor. Aflac's definition is a doctor says you can't work. So on day one, with that policy, Aflac will start paying you and give you cash for your paycheck. They pay, a portion of that proceeds from your paycheck to help you pay your mortgage, things like that, while you're not returning to work.
Okay, got it. And so let's just say I'm an employee. I go with, sign up with Aflac. So every paycheck, similar if you're working for a larger company, every paycheck, a portion is coming out and going to Aflac for the different policies that you've signed up for.
Yeah, so they are going to pay their premium monthly. And from that premium, when something does happen, if it occurs, then you will get a portion of that money from your paycheck. Correct. Goes back to you.
Got it. Okay. So, and there's so many small businesses in this area, especially in Southwest Florida, that, what is your typical client, or who would your typical client be?
So I would say what's great is, hairdressers, that industry, hair salons normally are not able to get short-term disability. We're able to offer them that, especially a lot of moms out there, pregnancy looking, we can pair that with our hospital plan and our short-term disability to cover them fully for mothers. We also have dental, a lot of dentists in our network that we like to offer group their insurance plans together with our Aflac plans. Also, roofing companies. Roofing companies are another one that usually do not offer short-term disability. Aflac will offer them at a great rate.
Oh, wow. Okay. So what if somebody is just a 1099 employee and wants to have coverage? Does their employer have to basically sign up with Aflac, or can they go to you directly?
So I definitely can offer consumer directly. They do not, they can have it completely taken out of their bank account and have it directly. The policy is for them. That is something definitely, if they're 1099, that's an option. The only thing that they is not offered through that is going to be the short-term disability, because that is through an employer. It's a benefit of going through. So short-term disability and vision
Mhm.
coverage offer that. So there are a few certain plans that you have to get through an employer, but for a 1099, accident coverage, life insurance, dental, there's a whole bunch of other options that are available as well directly.
Yeah. So I strongly encourage anybody that's out there that does not have especially life insurance, because the thing with life insurance is it's a vehicle that is also saving for retirement. It's not just in case you pass away. That's not the only thing that it does. So there's a lot of different vehicles with the different types of insurances that you offer that you might not be able to get from a larger company. And me being in mortgage, I see so many people's financial situations all the time. And a lot of people don't have that, coverage or whatever, especially if they're applying for a mortgage. And I see tons and tons of medical bills, so by getting
Right.
certain coverages, that will definitely help them prepare, if anything were to happen. So,
Definitely. Yeah, I agree with that. It's nice to have that extra bubble wrap, and even if you do have insurance, you can still have Aflac. Aflac still does not coordinate benefits. So even if you go to the doctor, you can still file with Aflac. They're still going to put money back into your pocket.
right, exactly. So how can people get in touch with you?
So you can email me as well, which I believe my information will be on here, but also you can give me a call on my cell phone. I'm available 24/7. What it seems like lately, it's been very busy, which is good. But yeah, definitely cell or email.
Okay, perfect. So everybody, all of the information is here. If you are looking for more information, or definitely know that you want to sign up or have an employer that you think should sign up, please reach out to Lynn with Aflac. She's here to help. And if you have any mortgage questions, feel free to give me a call. We're seeing really low interest rates right now. We don't know where they're going to be in the future. So now is the time to buy or refi. Any Aflac or insurance questions, Lynn is here to help. Thank you so much, Lynn, for being on. Cheers to Wind Down Wednesdays. And
Cheers.
thanks so much. I'll see you later.
Thank
Bye.
you.